Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Minecraft Corner. Today we are going to see a Christmas tree craft. So let's get started. I have took a piece of cardboard and rolled it like a cone. Cut the axis. Now I'm using a stapler and stapling it. You can also use Fevicol. Now I take a green color paper and then cut it into triangles. Now take a piece of cardboard and roll it like a stick. Staple it, and now I took a tape and rolled it on the stick we made. And then take a thermocol sheet and make a hole in the center and insert the stick we made in it. Apply Fevicol and stick it well. Now take a plastic bowl and put more thermocol on it, and then stick the stick we made on the plastic ball. Now stick all the triangles we made on the cone, and stick the cone to the stick. Stick the triangle until it covers the whole cone. Now pour some glue on the bowl and then crush some thermocol pieces and add it. I am painting the ball, so if you want you can also do it. Stick some decorative pieces on it. I am sticking some colored thermocol balls. That's it. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and Merry Christmas.